Hello students, welcome to accounts classes. Dear students, next accounting conventions are convention of conservatism or prudence. This is very important. You may expect as important questions for MCQ. According to this concept, all anticipated losses should be recorded in the books of accounts, but all anticipated or unrealized gains should be ignored. In other words, conservatism is the policy of playing safe. Provision is made for all known liabilities and losses, even though the amount cannot be determined with certainty. So beta, prudence concept means you should not anticipate only profit, but it should provide for all possible losses. This is what we call it, convention of conservatism or prudence. I can cite one example. Provision for doubtful debts is created in anticipation of actual bad debts. Closing stock is valued at cost price or realizable value, that is market value, whichever is less. तो बेटा इन दोनों के बेस पे आपको MCQ पूछ सकता है. नेक्स्ट छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है बेटा कॉस्ट प्रिंसिपल और historical cost concept. According to this concept, an asset is ordinarily recorded in the books of accounts at the price at which it was acquired. Cost price or purchase price, market value is ignored. Market values or current values of assets are difficult to be determined. The valuation by one expert will not be the same as that of the another. So every transactions are recorded on the basis of historical cost concept. Because beta, yes, these are the self-explanatory. That's why simply I am reading so that you can write down and you can understand. And we have another very important concept, that is matching concept. अब बेटा मैचिंग मतलब रेवेन्यू का कॉस्ट के साथ मैच करना उस अकाउंटिंग पीरियड में. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, इन डिटरमाइनिंग द नेट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम बिजनेस operations, all costs which are applicable to revenue of the period should be charged against that revenue. Accordingly, for matching cost with the revenue, first revenue should be recognized and then cost incurred for generating that revenue should be recognized, and then cost incurred for generating that revenue should be recognized. That means cost must matches with the revenue. अब बेटा रेवेन्यू को अर्न करने में जो कॉस्ट लगा उस ईयर में उसी कॉस्ट का उसी रेवेन्यू के साथ हम कंपेयर करेंगे. इन अदर वर्ड्स, कॉस्ट इनकर्ड ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर ईयर शुड बी मैच्ड अगेंस्ट द रेवेन्यू ऑफ दैट पीरियड. अब जैसे बेटा मैंने एक एग्जांपल से आपको समझाया है, मेरा अकाउंटिंग पीरियड है 1 अप्रैल से 31 मार्च, तो इसी ईयर का एक्सपेंस होना चाहिए, इसी ईयर का रेवेन्यू होना चाहिए, और तभी हम इन दोनों को मैच करेंगे. अगर रेवेन्यू कोई अगले साल का है, एक्सपेंस कोई पिछले साल का है, तो उसको हम मैच नहीं करेंगे. डेप्रिसिएशन इज एग्जांपल ऑफ मैचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. और बेटा डेप्रिसिएशन का मतलब क्या हो गया? फॉल इन द वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट्स. तो बेटा ये छोटे छोटे मेरे प्रिंसिपल थे. अब नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज नोन एज रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन और रियलाइजेशन concept. Revenue is earned by sale of goods or by providing a service. Concept of revenue recognition determines the time or the particular period in which revenue is realized. वहां पे मैचिंग था, यहाँ पे ये देखना है कि किस ईयर में हमने रेवेन्यू को रियलाइज किया. Revenue is deemed to be realized when the title or the ownership of goods has been transferred to purchaser and when he has legally become liable to pay the amount. For example, if a firm gets an order of goods on 1st January, supply the goods on 20th January and receives cash on 1st April, तो अब बेटा देखो the revenue will be deemed to have been earned on 20th January because the day when you have supplied the goods, the moment transaction has taken place. On the 20th January, as the ownership of goods was transferred on that date. This is also known as accrual assumptions. और बेटा nutshell में what we can say, revenue is recognized in the period in which it is earned, irrespective of the fact whether it is received or not. And the last beta, verifiable or objective principle. Recording on the basis of evidence. There must be verifiable evidence of transactions which are capable of verification, जैसे invoice, bills, cash memo, etc. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you.